Welcome back to another rigged recap. It is July 8th, one of the absolute worst sessions in quite some time. Up, down, blue line. This is how you know it was terrible to trade. We come down to the feed. You can see max gain. There were some real winners here. 191.50%, no drawdown. But look at the end of day return, minus 90%. 3 option alerts were positive at the end. Both sides got killed in this chop. And oh Lord, we're telling you, nightmare mode right down here. Algo dominated price action, killing both sides. Extremely difficult to trade. That was the session. Now, the interesting thing is the blue line rule works extremely well. So here on Q, lean bearish. And basically, you're looking to go short at the blue line if it doesn't break, right? Doesn't break the blue, decent entry, boom. You break, almost hitting 554, decent entry, boom. And then here, for the only alert, one of the only alerts that was positive to end the session, all this time it's chopping here at the blue. If it doesn't break, it's going lower. And that's what happened. -1 held the entire session. Now, when we look at IWM, the complete opposite. And this is why the blue line rule rules. You can see we're above the blue. And look, test, break. You know, this is 220.58, so 221, very close. And you can see the strike holds. So anytime you see this bullish flow, which there are only bull bombs here today on IWM, you see this come in, the win rate in the last 30 days is pretty good. You got to think, hey, I want that at the blue. KTR follows here. You can take this at the blue once again. And then as we move higher, you're looking for that support strike. Really, the only good entries coming in here at 1056, and then again at 1130. 221 holds, and you go higher. You can't break +1, and that was it. Coming back to look at SPY, that's the opposite, right? It is the opposite because we're below the blue, lean bearish, okay? Nice attempt right here to break the blue. You know, this goes for 126% in 15 minutes. But then what happens every time we get to the bottom? You know, we get one strike down. Boom. You're getting the bull bombs. Miss these. Okay, -1 holds again here. Not bad. Okay, you miss these. Wait for the pullback. Bang. But overall, lean bearish. They tried to take it. +1. Doesn't even come close. Anything up here, you're a real gangster. But this is the other really good setup. Finished with an 11.25% return at the end of the session. Kind of crazy. But look at that. Can't break the blue, and it goes down. Follow the blue line. Follow the strikes. Follow the flow. We can't possibly have 2 terrible sessions back to back, can we? Let's hope not. This is really interesting on gold. Don't get a ton of option alerts. Obviously, this bear, super late, someone chasing it. But this is like classic 3-strike rule. Go down 3, you don't break 3, it's going to bounce higher. And that was the bottom. Tune back in tomorrow for another recap. Let's go.